Okay, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you something about redirection. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button as well as the notification to get more updates every time. Now today I'll be teaching you how to use a redirect break on either Galaskion ad network or Adsterra or any other ad network you like to use it. So I'm going to show you a bit example. You see this little code we're going to use here. Now this is the meta tag code. What it does is it refreshes a content, either your particular web page or a particular URL. So for this time around, we're going to be using a particular URL. Now I'm going to change this. Is just a dummy URL here. This is what I'm going to change to your direct link or any other link you would want to use. Well, for this we'll be using the direct link. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace this, and as you can see I've already done mine here. So you can see this is my direct link, and I just put it in there. It's the same code over here, just the first one. So we go back and we're going to see that, let's say I just give you an example and say Google. Let's try Google first. Okay. So let me copy this and show you how it works. So I'm going to take this off, to cut it off, and then paste that one which I just created. This. Okay. That should do it. Then we click save. Now once we save the changes, we can go visit our site. Let's use incognito mode. So now from what I did, let me explain. The site is going to load properly. And once it finishes loading, it moves away and goes to the next website. The zero you see there means instant. It shouldn't waste any time. But if you want to give it a time, maybe some seconds thereabout, you can use you can add a figure here. And each figure represents seconds. So if I put 10, I mean 10 seconds. If I put 5, I mean 5 seconds. So you can see immediately it went to Google. So let's try it with our other um other code that has to do with mm, our direct link. You see how it says. So again, we go back and save. Now this code should only be put in the header section of your HTML of your page or your website. So I'm using headers and footers. As you can see, I'm putting it in the header here over here. Let's go back and we try this stuff. See the page loads again, and just when it's finished loading, boom, it's reloading something else. And you can see my direct link is now loading. So for those of you who have a domain you can send traffic to, you can use this trick. So let me show you what it's going to do. What we could do is just create a free blogger platform. Um, just create one and use as a test. And I'll show those of you using blog, I'm going to show you how you're going to do this. So what you're going to do for me is click. Oh, we can just use this one. This is a test blog anyway. So what you're going to do, you're going to go to theme for me. Click on theme. Now in the part where you see edit HTML, I'm going to show you that just here. Yeah, you click here and you say edit HTML. So before I put this, let's see how the blog behaves when we try to load it directly before we make changes. Let's see. Okay, this is from my one I used to try tricks on Adsterra direct link, and you can see it's still working. It's still on this page. It's not going anywhere. With all the scripts I've been trying, this is it. So now let's go back and try to edit HTML. Remember I told you it's going to be in the head. So you look for this place, you see head, and you press enter, and you paste your code. So you see this is Meta Equiv. It's going to refresh, and the content it's going to get is in 0 seconds. The URL is this one, which is my direct link, and I'm going to say save. Make sure it's in the head. So now we are done. Let's reload our page and see what comes up. So the page is up, it's loaded, but we still don't have any response. So let's try that in incognito mode, because most times your page just catches your browser in normal mode, just catches most of the thing you've already done, and it won't try to get the fresh copy. But when it's on incognito, it just goes. You can see it's loading again, and it take me to the direct link. So you see, most times your PC catches um, catch files from your browser and keeps it that way. But when you use incognito, it doesn't have that catch file, so it just goes straight to the point. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I have more to show you. Thank you. Happy New Year.